Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today, as you can tell by the title, this is a cleaning video. You guys, we are going to tackle my family room. As you can tell, it has been very lived in. Over the weekend, we've been doing a lot of binge watching and just relaxing, enjoying some summer free time. So we had recently switched cable providers, so I have cords and everything from my older provider, new boxes from our new provider, just a plethora of things in this space. So what I need to do now is roll up my sleeves and get into it. So you know what I'm gonna say. Let's get cracking. First things first is just to clear off all of the items that don't belong and sorting out pillows and blankets and things of that nature, putting everything back in their proper places. For me, this is just an easy way to tackle what sometimes can seem to be an overwhelming space. Now guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about items in our family room, so I will try to give you some details in this video, but I will, as promised, come with a full family room tour. But this sofa and love seat set, you guys, is a part of a collection from Ashley's. I think it is the Derby set, and we got it in the smoked gray. And it's a plain basic set. I love that because you can layer it up as you see me doing here with just a throw. I love the texture that this throw is giving me. It has the beautiful charcoal, grays, blacks tones in there. So it allows me to just build on that blank palette. Here I'm just layering on my fluffy pillows. In one test, I always give every pillow that I purchase. If I can't do the karate chop, I don't bring it home. I used to just buy pillows because they're pretty, but now I want them to function and have dual purpose for me. So if they can give you that chop, they tend to last a little bit longer. They're more durable, substantial pillow. So I love that. Moving on to the love seat. Again, this is part of that same Derby collection from Ashley's. I desired to get a sectional or a L shape, but because this space is so small, we had to just work with what we had. Here I am just folding up some old summer dresses I'm getting ready to donate or bless one of my aunties with. You know, it's sundress season, honey, so we have to get it together. So before I purchase new items, I like to purge and get rid of old items. So here, that is what I am doing, just preparing. They've been laundered, so they'll be nice and fresh when she gets them, and she can rock them however she chooses. Now that that is complete, I will do the same to this sofa, just fluffing out the pillows. And I am going to, again, layer up. That is just a great way to dress up a plain sofa, you guys, with a nice throw or some decorative pillows. And although this is a faux fur throw, I use it year round. It's perfect for when we're watching movies. You can cuddle up and just be comfy in your space. So consider throws, you guys, as a way to dress up a space. And here I am, again, giving it that nice chop, making sure everything is in place. And you guys, I love that beaded pillow. I picked that up from Burlington a few Christmas seasons ago. Tuning into some Wendy Williams as I clean. I hadn't watched it in quite a while. Most of the time when I clean, I'm listening to music or watching YouTube videos, but today I thought I'd tune in and see what the celebrity tea was. So here I am, just proceeding on with removing items from the space. Subway was dinner, and now I am on to cleaning. And someone asked me about these TV trays. They are actually just the little C-shaped tables. I picked them up from Ross, and initially I wanted to paint them a nice pewter color to blend with the other pieces in the space, but I think I'm going to give them a new home and leave them in the soft gold. I'm going to embellish them a little bit, but for right now I'll just leave them as they are because I do plan on doing some refreshes in other spaces. So that is why they haven't been painted yet. And guys, I'm just using a wet cloth and a dry cloth to clean those mirrors. But a couple of you have suggested a glass cleaner, one from Dollar Tree and one from Amazon. So I will try them both out. As I said, I'm trying to broaden my cleaning horizon and not stick to my basic pledge, bleach in Pine Sol. So I'm opening up, and you'll see that I'm still using that Pledge multi-purpose cleaner. It is nice. I'm enjoying it. I love the scent. So you'll see me cleaning up with it once I get all these extra items out of the space. And I like to spray the product on my cloth. And it is, again, that's apple cinnamon. I really like the scent of it. Moving over to the bar area, I am just going to clean out this little trunk, this little chest that I have. I picked this up from Ross Home Store. That kind of went blank for me, but I picked it up from Ross. I love the cerulean color. It was perfect for this particular space. And I will clean and reorganize the bar area here. Again, I have a lot of cords and things that I need to return to our old cable provider and just get them cleared up out of the space. And guys, if you're anything like me, you despise cords. I hate them. I just wish everything was wireless. These cords are such an eyesore when it comes to decorating. You always have to style around them, put pieces to cover them up, but some items have to be visible because you can't get a proper connection with the remote and yada yada yada. But that's a constant battle with my love and I. He wants things exposed so he can get better connection. I want to cover them up because I don't want to see them, but such is life. And I'm putting all of these hideous cords and everything in a package so I can, again, return them to their provider. And nothing brings me more joy than to get rid of them. And there's more cords. And there's more cords. I promise, I'm not a technical girl by any means. And so for me, just having all these cords for 1 or 2 boxes are just ridiculous. But the men in our lives want the biggest everything, the loudest everything. So we have to accommodate them too, right, ladies? So I have to just meet my love where he is. He is all about the surround sound and the sound boxes and all that good stuff. So they come with cords. Hopefully I can find him a cordless one for Christmas and we can alleviate this problem. And again, I'm just fluffing out my nice little pillows, getting everything all cozy so when we come in again to watch TV, there's an extra pillow to cover up with. And now I'm going to start cleaning off this bar area. And I always start my cleaning, you guys, from the top down, just dusting and freshening up everything. I'm gonna touch every shelf, just giving it all a nice cleaning. It's not too dusty, but I don't want it to build up either. And I picked up these beautiful hurricane vases from Ross Home Stores. And I thought they were the perfect combination of the chrome and the blue. I love how it fades from the chrome into the ombre into the blue. I thought it was perfect for this space. And the plate to the left, you guys, the blue behind it is actually a placemat, a beaded placemat. And I just layered on a plate that I've had for several years. I believe I got that from Hobby Lobby. And it has like the nice gray tones to it as well. Although this is a functional bar for us, or bar area, I still wanted to add some cute decorative pieces to make it cohesive with the other spaces in the room. Because not only is this bar area functional, I wanted it to serve as extra storage for some of my wine glass and shot glass collection. So it serves dual function for us. Again, I am the type of stylist that love to have pieces that can serve me multiple purposes. So here, as you see, we have a massive collection of shot glasses and wine glasses that I've accumulated over the years. Some were gifted to us from the wedding, and just over time, just picking up things I thought would fit the space. And so what I'm going to do, I'm actually taking part in a collaboration, a bar cart collaboration, a bar styling collaboration. So I will be actually revamping this space a little bit, but I wanted to go ahead and pre-clean so that eliminates some of the steps for that video. So stay tuned for that. You guys know that when you see the broom come into place, that means that I am finally at the finish line of it all. I'm so excited to be finally at this point. I absolutely love having a clean, refreshed home. It smells so good, you guys. I oftentimes speak about the waxes that I burn, and they're just the Better Homes and Garden wax from Walmart. I absolutely love them. I wish you guys could smell how wonderful it is in here right now. So that's kind of like my little reward. As I get close to the end, I'll start burning my waxes so that I can get that nice aroma going in the house. But this is just a really, really rewarding feeling coming to the end of this day. This room was in need of some major cleaning, and I gave it exactly what it needed. So in the end, my final result is a nice, clean space. Now, you guys, guess what? We've hit 7,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I want to thank all of my tried and true, my faithful family members for getting us to this point. Thank you all for your continued support. I absolutely love you all for all of the comments and all of the shares and just everything that you do to help make TMB what it is. I so appreciate you. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join this wonderful TMB family. We are a lifestyle channel full of all the things to help you make your house look more like a home. If you found this video inspiring, hit that button, give us a thumbs up. Also, connect with me on my other social media sites, you guys. I'm on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful day. Smooches.